Nasdaq 100 started the week on a slight bearish note. Yes, it has given a gap up and then now it has erased all the gains for the day and trading in red. So what to expect now from the US session? Can we expect it to continue with the drop from here, or is there a probability for it to rise? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels and trade as per. Let's start first on the hourly charts. One can see that higher lows are getting created here on the hourly charts. Let me show you here. See, if you just connect the dots here, you will find that it is trading in this bullish channel. The highs and the lows are beautifully connected. So far, this time it is shied away from achieving the highs of this channel, which are in fact beyond 14,900 levels towards 14,960. But yes, at the same time one must note that it is respecting the bottom of the channel, so this suggests that there is a probability of a rise as well. Now if you look at the moving averages on the hourly chart, these have crossed over, trading one over the other. It is still bullish, but 20 period is starting to look downward, suggestive of slight bearishness. At the same time, if you look at the charts on the upside, 14,840, 14,860, giving it a very good resistance. Let's have a further detailed look. See, stochastic has come to oversold zone. MACD is divergent, is bearish. It has seen the highs here. There is a probability that it can converge. At the same time, right now, see, the height is increasing. It is still suggestive of bearishness. But if you look at the candle here, the preceding candle on the hourly charts failed to stay bearish and it is trying to show a reversal. There could be a retracement towards 14,800. If you look at the RSI, it is flat coming to 2 hour chart. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, see, first of all note this level here, 14,650 and 14,680. This is going to be a great support zone for US 100 on the downside. Only and only if you see it is staying below 14,650 levels, rather I will say 630 also. So in between 630 and 680, this is the maximum support zone for US 100. At the same time, if you note this, let me show. Just connect the lows here, you will find everything precisely connected, and here also it is connected precisely from the bottom of this channel. It is trying to reverse here. But here one point to note, that after consolidating for 3 to 4 candles, this was a breakout candle and it has erased all the gains, and hence a complete reversal requires lot much of force on the upside for it to revert completely, which appears to be difficult as of now. Thus 14,840, 850 zone is going to be a great resistance. Stochastic at bottom, look at MACD, this is crossed over, this is trading with divergence, this is staying bearish, and this is just second red candle, hence it can yield further red candles from here, which can pull the prices little down. If you look at RSI, this is also trading with a drop here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, a very important observation is the moving averages have converged. They have not yet crossed over. Remember, they are running flat but not yet crossed over. I'll wait for a crossover here. Yes, it was trading with too much of divergence. It has converged here. The prices in fact have scaled towards the 100 period moving average but failed to break past the same here. So right now I will be, see, this candle is going to be important, and this candle is going to be in fact the market opening candle, because this candle will still be running past 30 minutes post the market opening hours, and hence we have to be watchful here. It can show you great swings, and only a rise above 814, 850 will confirm the bullishness. Stochastic looking down, look at MACD, this is willing to converge crossover for a sell entry. Right now it is not yet crossed over, it is just converged, and it may continue to diverge on the upside as well. This probability also exists. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish, coming to 4 hour. If you look at 4 hour chart, see the great wall is here at 14,840, 850 zone. Very strong resistance is seen here. Support from the 20 period, let it stay below the 20 period moving average, and then the bearishness might continue. That is where 14,720, 700 zone will come into picture, below which certainly one can look forward to 680, 650, 630, and yes, 600. Very strong support levels on the downside here, breaking below which you can say that Nasdaq 100 is going to yield a strong bearish momentum, where one can look forward to in fact 14,400 levels as well, if not today, possibly by tomorrow. Stochastic looking down, MACD willing to converge here, crossover for a, and RSI is trading comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Coming to the daily, now see on the daily charts, lower highs are seen, and if it is, even if it is not bearish, I will wait for it to yield higher lows, which suggests that 680 650 zone is going to be a great support zone on the downside. Only and only if you see it staying below 650, you can say further bearishness. Else we can still expect swings here throughout the day in between 850 and 650 levels. These 200 points are going to remain crucial. The stochastic looking downwards here. Now see on the daily charts, MACD is bearish and it has converged. It has not yet crossed over, but it has converged. If you look at the formation, rise retracement, drop retracement, and again a drop, and it is willing to cross over and retrace. So if this time, and see this is coming at a slightly lower levels, if this time it crosses over, certainly we can expect it to retrace a little on the upside. Right now it was trading with more divergence, it is just converged, it is not yet crossed over, and RSI is staying flat here near to bottom, but trying to trade with a slight bearish. Now looking at this, I will recommend you to buy or take a buying position at around 14,765 levels. Be careful of the very nearby resistances. I cannot avoid it sharing. 14,780, 14,800, 14,840, 850. 840, 850 is where we are going to look at maximum resistance here on the upside. And if it breaks past 14,850, certainly we can say that it is going to hit 14,900, 920 zone as the first resistance, beyond which certainly more bullish momentum may prevail. There is a possibility that it can completely reverse or show you a swing here. On the downside, below 14,730 is where you should take a sell position. Below 14,730, we can expect 14,700. And remember, 14,680, 650, 630. This is the complete strong support zone between 14,630 and 680. Only and only if it breaks below 14,630, further bearishness towards 600 and below 600 levels. Remember, below 600 levels, every rise is an opportunity to sell. Yes, it could retest. However, below 600, do not think of buying Tech 100. You should always think of entering a sell position below 14,600. We are looking forward to 14,400. If not today, possibly any point of time this week, these levels will get achieved. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, and comment is a great support motivation for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my abilities. Also, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do join my free Telegram channel as well, where you get the live market updates. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for the more updates on major global markets and commodities on daily basis, and thus press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.